Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. A few years ago, in a small machine shop, a junior technician was setting up a cylindrical job for drilling. He carefully aligned it on a flat surface, thinking everything was good to go. But when the drill press came down, the round piece rolled slightly, just enough to throw off the whole alignment. The result? A scrapped component, wasted time, and a very frustrated technician. And honestly, this kind of thing happens more often than you'd think, especially when holding round or irregular parts without proper support. That's exactly where the V-block with clamp comes in, a simple but powerful tool that solves this problem with ease and precision. A V-block is a metal block, usually made from hardened steel or cast iron, with a V-shaped groove running along its length. That groove is designed to cradle cylindrical workpieces securely. At the clamp on top, and now the part is held firmly in place, completely immobilized during machining, marking, inspection, or drilling. It's brilliant because it eliminates movement, misalignment, and the risk of damaging delicate parts. With a V-block and clamp, you get repeatable accuracy and stability, especially when working with round shafts, pipes, or rods. Some of the standout features: precision ground surfaces for stability, corrosion-resistant finishes, and strong clamps that maintain grip under vibration or machining pressure. You'll find them being used in tool rooms, inspection labs, and production setups, wherever accuracy and alignment matter. Compared to improvising with wedges or hands, a V-block with clamp not only boosts precision and efficiency, but also significantly improves safety. It's one of those small tools that makes a massive difference in quality work. Hello friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us grow this learning community and continue sharing useful industrial and manufacturing knowledge. And if you like this clear and easy explanation, be sure to check out our earlier video on the surface plate, granite and cast iron types, where we explained their differences, usage, care, and why they're so important for precision work, all in the same practical and beginner-friendly style. You might discover something that adds more accuracy to your workspace.